We've got a quadratic in Z, and we've been asked for one of the solutions of the equation. Okay, so there's the quadratic in Z. This will factorize. Let's fill in everything we know. This must be a Z here and another Z there. So I need two numbers that multiply to 24 and add or subtract to 10. And hopefully you can see those two numbers must be 2 and 12, because when you multiply them together, I get 24, and 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So all we've now got to do is arrange the signs. Let's put the numbers in, so we know one will be 2 and one will be 12. Now we look at this term. This term is positive. So the multiplication which generates 12z must be positive, and the multiplication which generates 2z must be negative. So we've got a plus here and we've got a minus here. So therefore I can say z is equal to 2 or z is equal to negative 12. And you can take your pick from either of those solutions.